Ready to shift your automotive accessories into high gear? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Welcome back to the Dupli-Color Garage. My name is Brian, and in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate another great product from Dupli-Color called Shift. Now, Shift is a unique metallic pearl flake paint that changes color based on light source, surface angle, and contour of the substrate that it is applied to. Now, Shift is formulated to achieve the maximum color shifting effect over black or dark colors. However, it can be applied over top of most any base color surface. Now, this makes Shift ideal for use on vehicle components, motorcycles, bicycles, or anywhere a color shifting paint is desired. Now, I'm gonna walk you through each step of the application process for Shift. Now, as mentioned, you achieve the maximum color shifting effect over black or dark colors. Now, we do have a black wheel here, but we also have a silver wheel, which is very common. So what we wanna do is put this one aside for now, grab the silver wheel, we're gonna prep this one for black paint. Now, we can use most any black paint. We have an assortment of black Dupli-Color paints here. We have Perfect Match, wheel paint, general purpose, and engine. Now, any of these will work. Since we have a wheel, I'm gonna grab the black wheel paint, give this wheel a good scuff, and wipe down with Dupli-Color multi-purpose foaming prep spray, and put down a couple coats of the black wheel paint. Once this is dry, we'll apply some of the Shift. We'll move over to this wheel. Since this one is already black and it's powder coated, we'll just go ahead, wipe it down since it's pretty dirty, give it a good scuff with a red scuff pad, clean it down once again, and apply the other color of Shift. Shift is available in two color shifting colors, which is purple to blue and purple to green. We have two colors, two wheels. We're gonna paint them one of each. Now, the most important step in any paint process is prep. You want the surface to be good and cleaned and scuffed for your paint to adhere to. Anything down below is gonna show on your final coat. So what I'm gonna do is grab myself a red scuff pad, scuff each one of these down. It'll allow for that mechanical adhesion. We'll clean it off with the Dupli-Color multi-surface foaming prep cleaner, get them good and clean. And then I'll go ahead and apply the black wheel paint on the silver. This one will be good to go for the Shift. Scuff pre-painted surface with a red scuff pad or 400 grit sandpaper. Clean and degrease with a Dupli-Color prep product and mask off any areas to protect from overspray. All right, we have the silver wheel painted black. Let it dry for about an hour. So things are looking real good. It's plenty dry to paint. So now it's time to apply the Shift and let the fun really begin. We'll let this product truly come to life as you apply each coat. So grab the can, we'll shake it up and get painting. Shake can for 1 full minute after mixing ball moves freely and 10 seconds after each minute of use. Always apply paint in a well-ventilated area. Ideal application conditions are when temperatures are between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit with low humidity. Hold can 8 to 10 inches from the surface and apply 2 to 3 light to medium coats, allowing 10 minutes between coats. Dries to the touch in 20 minutes, handle in 1 hour, and recoat at any time. All right, we have all the coats down for both the purple green and the purple blue, and things are looking incredible. You can see how glossy the end result is. Therefore, you do not need a clear coat. Now, a couple things to keep in mind when applying Dupli-Color Shift. You get the maximum color shift over black and dark colors, not as prominent over lighter colors. However, you can apply it over most any color. Additionally, each coat will maximize the color shifting effect. In this case, I put down 3 even coats, and that also provided that smooth gloss finish. Now, considering the versatility of Dupli-Color Shift, it allows you to apply it to most any automotive-based project where you're looking for a true color shifting effect. For more information about Dupli-Color Shift and other products from Dupli-Color, visit duplicolor.com.